How to transfer photos and videos from laptop PC to Android. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In order to do so, you may follow up these steps. So first of all, you can just go and locate up the file either from your desktop screen and locate up your file manager, and you can head over to the file or pictures or videos that you would like to transfer. So for example, if I would like to transfer this video right here, you can just go ahead and basically select it. But before transferring, you need to have your device connected to your laptop or PC. You can use an USB cable in order to do so. And once you are connected, you can find your device connected. Right now, my device is connected and you can see my folder right here, my device name right here. So what you can do is basically head over to the video that you would like to transfer or the picture and right click on it, select it. After that, you can either copy it or you can just basically go ahead and move it. Let me just go ahead and copy it. After that, you can head over to device and you can just go ahead and paste it in this section, and you can just go ahead and do so, and then the particular file will be copied or transferred to that particular Android device. So this is it. You may follow up this method in order to do so. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will be seeing you in another video.